how to file US taxes while living and working abroad. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So you would be requiring form 1040 for this, and you can utilize services of TurboTax, and here you would be doing it for minimal charges or the charges which are required by TurboTax, or you can go with the IRS, and here you can file your taxes for free. And like I said, you would require form 1040 for your tax filing details or all sort of information. Just choose that particular form while filing your taxes, and you would know exactly the kind of information that you need to put in order to get your taxes filed. Make sure that you claim all your deductions and credits and reveal all your incomes in that particular form, and you would be good to go. So this is how you would be able to file your taxes. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.